Hey guys, welcome back to my channel is Tech. In this video I will talk about a new application launched by Google, and the name of the new application is TaskMate, and with the help of this application you can earn money, and this is now at early stage. Here you can see the application, and here you can see it is rated for 3 plus and only 5k plus downloads. Okay, and this application is now launched in India recently, and here you can see about the application, and this with the help of this application you can earn money, and this is like Google Opinion Rewards, but in the application Google Opinion Rewards, the money you earn, that is called Google Play Balance, that is only available in Google services. But with the help of this application, the money you will earn, that's gonna be real money. Okay, so here you can see, let's just go to the about the application, and here you can see TaskMate, earn money doing simple tasks on your smartphone. TaskMate beta is limited to selected testers at the moment. Please only download this app if you have a referral code, as we are unable to extend further invites at this time. Okay, so here you can see find task nearby, complete a task to begin earning, cash out your earning. Okay, so here you can see, you can read all this. I will put a link so that you can read all the details about this application. Now let's talk about the referral code, and here you can see TaskMate is limited to selected testers. Okay, if you did not have a referral code, you cannot use this application right now. Okay, let me just show you. If I go to open, and after opening the application, okay, and it is now loading, and here you can see, let's just select language, and here you can see it is asking for a referral code, and if you did not have a referral code, you cannot use this application right now. Okay, so I did not have a referral code, so I cannot use this application right now. Okay, and if you have a referral code, you can use it, but if you did not have, you cannot use this application right now. And this is the about section is also saying, here you can see TaskMate is limited to selected tester, and if you only have the invite code, then only you can use this application right now. Okay, and let's just dive into the images of this application. Here you can, here are the images supplied by Google about this application. Okay, here you can see take photos of soft fronts and earn money. Okay, just simple task, record spoken sentences and earn money, and here you can see records, and here you can see cash out and everything. This is the interface of the application, and you have to perform some simple task to earn money, and I think this application gonna be fun to use. Okay, so just simple, with the help of this simple task we will get money, and it will help also simple task. And here you can see field task and sitting task, two types of task. Okay, and with the help of this application I think we will be able to get good money, and it will also help. Here you can see take photos and running and record something. Okay, so these are the tasks. Okay, and I think I will end this video now, and this is the information right now we have about this application. Okay, and if I got any information further, I will let you know with the help of my another video. Okay, and at this point of time I don't have a referral code, so I cannot use this TaskMate application right now. Okay, and if you have a referral code, you can use this. If you did not have, you can use it. Okay, bye, and don't ask me in the comment section for referral code. Bye, see you guys in the next video.